It is Sunday right now, and I was supposed to go to La Pulga to get chickens, and I'm trying to, but con todos estos niños, I don't know if I can. Right now I'm sleeping my sister's baby. She's snoring. She's so tired. Y aquí tengo estas mocositas pintando. Ya listas para irse. I took a lot of time para alistarlos también, so. The boys are out there playing. I don't think you can see them. No, I don't think you guys can see them right now, but I'm about to be ready. My baby's asleep también, and I'm trying to see how I'm gonna get them all in the car. Okay, after like almost an hour of getting ready.
East toward Hobson Pike.
At McDonald's to get something to eat because we haven't had breakfast, and all these kids of course are hungry. Okay, they're home right now. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. So I came to Starbucks right now because I need coffee. These boys be waking up way too early for me. They woke up at, what time did you wake up? Like 7?
I didn't wake up.
7.
It's because my mom didn't go to work, so.
Well, yeah, but
They woke me up. Duke was
the girls woke them up, but then they ended up waking me up too, so I'm tired now. Y luego las niñas están aquí like, I want this, I want that, dame eso, dame otro, and I'm like, okay. Mi hermana aquí que no hace caso, no escucha, no pone atención. I dropped a box of chicken nuggets on my baby. I don't think it hurt her because she didn't cry, but still, I feel bad. Oh, and Starbucks right now is full. It's annoying. I've been here for like 15 minutes now, and probably 15 minutes more because of all these people here waiting. Papi, pon esto ahí abajo. Look at the color of that, man. Tell me that does not look weird.
Oh, yeah, I couldn't do
Ugh. You too. You guys, I ordered coffee from McDonald's. That thing tastes weird, super weird, and the color looks nasty. Give it to me, baby. I'm gonna show them.
Are you sure that's not gonna spill anything?
I asked for a caramel iced coffee. Look at that. It looks so weird and it tastes so weird. And look at this. This is how it usually looks. Why does it look like this? Like, why does this look like that? And it tastes really gross. I don't know what they put in it. I'm gonna taste this. This is new. Let's see.
Doesn't he sell us the whole universe?
That's pretty good. I have one more stop to make now. I have to stop at my sister's house to get some boxes. Donde voy a echar los chickens. I'm gonna get chickens. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have to take care of them most of the day because I'm gonna be in school.
And I bought them for you to take care of.
I can't take care of them while I'm in school unless you make me miss it.
What about if I homeschool you? What, baby? We're going to get the chickens. I know, it's taking forever. Refreshing. Baby,
Yeah.
I bought this for Ari the other day. Oh my gosh, you're going to love this one. This for me right now, but you're gonna love it. I told you, isn't it good?
You get the strawberries out.
It's good. I hope there is no traffic over there because last time I went, I had to wait forever just to get into the flea market parking area. So Isaac brought his Air Forces. Oh my gosh, if you guys only saw. Look at how he freaking walks because he don't want to crease them. I'm like, oh my gosh, Isaac. Nina, sit down.
Guys, you saw that? I can't crease my shoes. If you guys saw that, I can't crease them. They're brand new. Mommy, they're Air Force Ones.
Let me kiss him.
No!
Why?
He's gonna get your lipstick on.
Okay, you guys, we finally arrived. I don't know yet. We'll see. Hey, there's baby toys in here. Let me get it.
I mean, like, it went through.
Here.
Yeah, but like, shoes.
Bottle.
I feel like I'm the only one wearing white.
Okay, we're ready to go. Love it. You guys want to see some animals? Look at this. Look at this. Oh, baby dogs. Those are baby dogs. Don't put your hands in, mommy. They'll bite you. Look at the baby dogs. What is it? Oh. Yeah. What is it, Jojo? Patos, duckies. Oh my gosh, there's a bee. Duckies? Yes, these bees are like following us. Oh, oh shoot!
Sorry, I pressed pause. Sorry, guys. Where are my hands?
Like a lot of people are looking at me with a bunch of kids. Tired. I'm so tired, and we have to walk all the way there. It's hard. No, siéntate, mami. Te vas a quedar. Siéntate.
You want to record?
It's hard. Watch out, watch out. Jojo. 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 Taking turns. Taking turns because this is tiring. A ver cómo camina Isaac. ¿Cómo corre?
That's how I walk. It's because you don't want to crease it. I know
He don't want to be creasing his new shoes.
I know you. That's how you want.
Siéntate, Jojo, te caes.
I'm running with these. Last time I saw
We had to walk all the way to this gas station to get money, so now we're going back.
Recording today? Oh my gosh, Jojo, stop. Jojo, sit down.
Sit down,
Tiene mucho fila. Look, a big like stadium right there. I don't want these plates.
para servir, you know, chilaquiles and stuff, or taquitos dorados.
Look at that. Wait, turn over again. But I thought you didn't want to wash dishes.
I don't.
Bro, look at this really good big bag stadium right there. Bro. Mom, can we please get one of those?
I have one at home.
You do?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Because I want to go some Takis and make Taki powder.
Okay?
Yeah, I'll put some Takis in it. Make some Taki
Oh
powder.
my goodness. Sit down, Jojo. Sit down, Jojo.
Razor blades. What is that? Mozzarella? No, it's not. Oh god, it doesn't have the brand on it. Oysters. My recording is bad though.
Oh, ahí vienen. Aquí están, baby. Mira, just watch Jojo que no se vaya a caer, okay? I'm gonna look at the panties. Here, baby, I'll grab her. I'll grab her.
You want me here? I'll be like, yeah. I'm the coolest.
Oh my gosh, it's a freaking bumblebee. Oh, babies. Okay, let's go. Let's get the chickens. Finally, we all got in the car, situated. Everybody's tied down. Now we're going home, and estas niñas vienen peleando. See you guys at home. I'm hot. No, I am hot. Estas chamacas de veras son tremenda, cada una with different attitudes. Si no tuviera la ayuda de mis sobrinos y mi hermancito, me vuelvo loca. It's okay, Jojo. It's okay, mommy. We're going. Bye-bye. Vámonos.
She hit herself with that.
Oh, she hit herself with a toy. Mira, dale un chicken nugget. Okay, so we just got home and one of the chickens se me salió. I don't know how to grab it. Of course, he's gonna grab it, but not me. Wow. So, vine a pedir unos tacos. Bueno, pedí unos tacos para llevar y dije 12 tacos de al pastor. But apparently they only heard dos. So now tengo que esperar unos 7 minutos más. I'm starting to stress out porque it's my first day playing soccer again because I love soccer. Y es a las 4 y ahorita son a las 3:23. So, okay, ya voy saliendo, ya voy home with the tacos. Okay, ya llegué and I'm in a hurry because I don't know where field 1 is at and I don't want to be late. I'm 5 minutes late already. So here we go again. Now we're leaving. I'm leaving because there's no game. Game got canceled the first time and it gets canceled. So I'm going to find an indoor team. The other team didn't show up, so it got canceled. Ahorita voy a buscar un Tractor Supply to go get some food for the chickens and things for the water and stuff like that. So yeah. See you guys wherever I go next. Ya se está haciendo tarde. Now I'm about to head home. And bought some food for the chickens. Hay for them to be warm, and a special light for them to stay warm as well. I'm eating a Snicker. I was craving it because I don't really eat sweets. I don't really like sweet stuff. Unless I'm craving it, then I'll have one. But other than that, no, because isn't it weird? Sweets actually make me hungry. I thought that it was weird ever since I was little. I would barely eat candies because it would always make me hungry, and would always ask other kids to see if the same thing would happen to them, and they would be like, no. But me, when I eat sweet candies or sweet stuff like that, I get super hungry after. So when I eat sweets, like right now, I'm gonna get really hungry after, so I'm gonna have to eat something. Today has been a pretty long day. It felt long with all the kids and everything that I had to do to get ready just to head out the door. Oh my gosh. But at the end of the day, I'm glad we're fine. At the end of the day, I mean, they're good, they're happy, they went out a pasear un rato, not be home bored all the time. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'm going to call my uncle because he's been calling me today, and I couldn't answer him because I've been with the other kids, and I'm done. I'm going to home feeding the chickens, and then I'm going to organize my clothes and clean my room now because I have a disaster. But I mean, that's mom life. What can we do? I don't have 8 hands. Sometimes I wish I had 8 hands to just do everything. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching a little bit of my life, and maybe you can relate if you're a mom and you have kids. You know how things can get sometimes a little chaotic, but at the end of the day,